Good morning to all. In the last class, we discussed about the noun and kinds of noun, and we discussed about the two nouns, especially what is proper noun and what is common noun. Today, we will discuss the remaining nouns, and all of you will write down the definition of the nouns and their examples in fair notebook and send the work between 4 to 6 in the evening. Today we will discuss about first of all collective noun. What is collective noun? Listen the definition carefully. Collective noun is a group of a person, is a group of a thing that is referred as a whole. किन्हीं लोगों का एक ग्रुप, किसी थिंग का एक ग्रुप जिसको पूरा कंप्लीटली एक होल के रूप में देखा जाता है, that is called collective noun. For example, we can say army. Army is the group of soldiers. That is the example of collective noun. We can say class. Class is the group of students. Just like we can say team, the group of players. This is called collective noun. Now we are moving to the fourth noun, and that is material noun. The things that are made of substance or material are called material noun. The things that are made of substance or material are called material noun. For example, we can say gold. Gold is the example of material noun. We can say iron. Iron is the example of material noun. We can say stone. Stone is the example of material noun. Now we are moving to the last noun, and what is that? Abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun is especially a state, an action, a feeling is called abstract noun. For example, laughter is the example of abstract noun. Happiness is the example of abstract noun. So you can say a state, a feeling, an action is called abstract noun. In this class, in this video, we have discussed three nouns: collective noun, collection of group and things; material noun, the things that are made of substance or thing; and abstract noun, the state, the feeling and the action are called abstract noun. For example, love, theft, childhood, these are the examples of abstract noun. That's all for today. Have a nice day.